What are assemblies in .NET? What are their types?
An assembly is the smallest deployable unit in .NET. It's a compiled output of your code. It can be either an exe or a DLL file. Each assembly contains IL code, which is compiled intermediate language. Each assembly contains metadata, which is the information about the types, members, and references within the assembly. Each assembly contains manifest, which is essentially a table of contents for the assembly, including its version, name, dependencies, and culture information. There are two types of assemblies. First one is private assembly, which is used by a single application and typically located in that application's folder. Second one is called shared, or public, assembly, which can be shared and used by multiple applications. These are typically strong named and registered in the Global Assembly Cache, also called GAC.